You're my Bullfrog show is amazing.
And eat good food in those delicious bites.
I'm gonna speak Italian to Mike. Go ahead.
Ordina la parmigiana di pollo.
An aristocrat.
Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack. Delicious.
Why do they call it chicken parm anyways? Isn't it more like chicken mozzarella? With sauce. Kind of like a pizza, I guess. Yeah. Chicken pizza.
Who's there? What makes for a good chicken parmesan, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. First, you need to season the chicken. That means liberal salt, standard breading procedure, flour, egg wash,
Chicken parm is literally 3 things.
breadcrumbs.
Chicken, sauce, and cheese.
Are you tired of using inferior products in your kitchen? Shop JB Prince, world's finest chef tools and equipment. I like fancy spoons. Do you like fancy spoons too?
Next, your sauce has to be super on point. Some black pepper for spice, and salt so it tastes delicious. Good quality dried oregano.
And tons of garlic.
Pomodoro, pomodoro, pomodoro.
Ring the alarm. It's time for chicken parm. We use canola oil to fry.
Add some shortening to make an even, crisper crust.
You need to fry the chicken so it's crisp, golden brown, and delicious.
By constantly agitating the food and moving it around, you're continuously exposing it to fresh, hot oil.
Ring the alarm. It's time for chicken parm. The hack. Important here to leave some of the chicken exposed. No sauce, no cheese, good Parmesan. It's gonna make for nice and crispy pieces.
Caramelize the cheese, causing a Maillard reaction, adding to the levels of umami. So you need to make sure each component is amazing. And eat good food.
We're coming at you bigger and better than ever.